Hi, Yuko here. Today's topic is what's in your vessel? What do Japanese expect from you the most? You will probably wonder which vessel, what kind of vessel I'm talking about. You gotta find out.
In the United States, you'll probably get a proper evaluation for your job performance, whether you're a little weird or a little annoying to others. Others may describe you as, he's a bit weird, but he did a great job. However, in Japan, you would be told by the Japanese, she did a great job, but she is a weirdo, not good. From the Japanese's point of view, the quality of work is no longer worthy of a good evaluation if a person's personality and behaviors are not within an acceptable standard. In Japan, if you have a good job, or if you are good looking, you will be welcomed in the beginning. However, after a while, if a person's negative personality or attitude becomes known, everybody will keep him or her at a distance. In Japan, the better you do your job, or the better your appearance is, the better your personality and spirituality should be. In Japan, a human is often compared to a vessel. You must keep changing the appearance of your vessel, enlarging its capacity by filling up your personality and spirituality inside, as your life goes on. The Japanese consider their appearance, belongings, careers, or achievements as outside of the vessel. What matters most for them is one's personality and spirituality as contents inside the vessels. The Japanese have a firm belief that contents inside are much more important than the outer appearance. In the United States, regardless of your personality, good parts and appearances are important. In Japan, however, a vessel with bad or no contents is not worth appreciation or evaluation. Therefore, great jobs and achievements are not counted if the person's personality is bad. The Japanese find no value for vessels without good content. The Japanese tend to look for pureness and integrity in the vessel. They tend to see someone as beautiful if the person acts with great purpose for others, without pursuing their own interests. That's what the Japanese want to find in people's vessels. When doing business with Japanese people, rather than presenting only the gains of the company, show a greater cause and say, let's work together and build a cooperative relationship. As a result, we can also grow in the end. If you negotiate in this order, it is likely to work. In the opposite order, if we make money and grow our companies, it will ultimately benefit the world. The Japanese may feel uncomfortable. Financial gain is the outer appearance of the vessel for the Japanese, but a greater goal is the contents inside. Use this philosophical strategy to be successful in your business and relationship with the Japanese.
How was today's story? The idea of comparing a human to a vessel or a container is very common in Japan. When you hear someone said, that person has a big vessel or that person has a big capacity, you may think that person may be talented or skillful. But in Japan, if someone said the same thing, it means that person is very patient, kind, and has great spirituality. Well, what kind of vessel do you have? What's inside? If you like Japanese cultures, please subscribe my channel, please! See you soon! Bye bye!